problem. Is that a bowl home? Wrong, sorry. I'm wrong, yeah. Just showing off now.
Right, Norwich, please. And this may well be as far as we get. Uncle Tom still needs one there.
Yeah.
Anyone like to call a short touch on this?
Is this still long or not?
Yeah, it's just a, like long. Normal St Clements.
Well,
yeah.
Put another knot in.
Anyone happy to call a short touch of Colin? Yeah? Thank you very much.
It's more fun reading phone call. You don't dodge.
You don't
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's not.
Look to, trouble's going, gone.
But I think I've got to climb up now, then along the top, and then I come down again.
You need to turn round, Min.
Yeah, up here somewhere, I suppose. The day jobs. It's a bit like going to a rock concert. You know, go to a rock concert. People there, they could do anything during the day, but then they go to see this band because it's what they all enjoy doing. It's like bell ringing.
And talking of which, when people say to me, what do you do in your spare time? I say, I play with a real heavy metal band.
Yes. Oh, Joe.
And they say, really? Do you play any concerts? Yeah, live every Sunday morning. Oh, what sort of audience do you get? Oh, 100,000, 150,000. Well, how heavy's your equipment? 10 tons.
Oh, Joe, yeah.
Well, how many instruments have you got? Well, just 12. Oh, really? This is a very simple demonstration of change ringing on 3 bells, explained through the means of something which is very familiar to bell ringers, i.e. beer glasses. If you've got 3 bells, you've got 3 notes. That's the highest, that's the middle one, and that's the lowest one. You've got to use your imagination here a bit. And quite simply, you're used to hearing those in that order all the time, descending. And when we go into change ringing, all we quite simply do is we change over, or we swap adjacent pairs. And if we're striking from this end always going down, from that start which is known as rounds, we simply change over those two, and we get the next change, which sounds like this. That's change number 2. You can go to change number 3 by swapping those two, so this one stays where it is.
Started there. So if there's a ring the number 2, start here and you start by doing the squiggly bit, and that's in that. So if you're here, we're in first place, and second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place.
You need to drink some more out of yours, Tony.
That'll do. That'll do. Perfect.
You know, I said this was started by a young bunch of school lads. What have you? I mean, we really did get quite a reputation for beer drinking. Quite a reputation. And Jeff Wells, one of our members, I think you've seen him, he was there yesterday. But he once said to James, he was reminiscing about the old days, and he said, "Do you know what, James?" He said, "I remember." He said the significance was, he said, we only had 45 minutes for lunch.
We're not all that bad.
Pouring.
Also, I think they have to point out that they used it all as cycle round as well.
Yeah, that was all cycling.
Yeah, it's it's into the car more.
But it's evolved. It's evolved that, which is that's why we're still here.
It's much more a family holiday these days.
Yeah.
It's also not how when you're ringing with other people who don't have the same mind as you, and they might have slightly different ideas on how they want to make it better. And so getting good ringing requires, I think it does only require working as a band, because if you ring with people more and more, you get to ring as a band better.
I think that one of the two great things I personally love about ringing is that if you have this huge love of the English countryside and England in general, and what this country has to offer, and all the reasons why visitors enjoy coming here, you know, the villages, the scenery, the churches, the pubs, and all that sort of thing. That's what ringing gives you, and it just gives you the added thing that if you like going around collecting towels or ringing the bells, you go to these villages automatically as a matter of course, and whilst there you suddenly come across treasures which, had you not been there to go ringing, you probably wouldn't have known they were there. And to me, the sort of perfect holiday is pretty much what I do. And if you took the bell ringing out of it, I'd still just go around touring the English villages. Absolutely love it. And I think the other point, as we discussed earlier, is there's no sort of social status among ringers. Yes, there's people of different abilities, right from people who are just starting out learning to the real greats of what we do. But there's no segregation. Everybody rings with everybody else. You know, you're never out of place. You've always got people you can ring with. And to me, those two things together just make it the perfect combination.
Rebel's going, she's gone.
Oh, by the way, the hills there are the cliffs. It's the bottom end. Okay, do you want to get some rock on go with this?
Did you see that catch you did?
The ping.
He's a good.
Oh, Jenny. This for you? It's moving going in the bed.
Good boy. Sit.
Oh, die is voor mij.
Ja, dan heb jij zeker zelf het meeste.